Hi, I am Shorty Biscuit and welcome back to my channel. Day one out here at Overland Expo East 2024. It is soggy, very soggy, but the sun looks like it's making an attempt at peeking through the clouds. So it's been raining for the last few days, remnants of Hurricane Helene, and it is very wet out here. Hopefully the rain will be completely gone by tomorrow evening, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday we'd have enough time to dry out. In the process, we're going to be setting up everything for the expo, and I am holding off and setting up everything for myself because the ground is so wet. But I am setting up a tent, a table, and getting something to eat. It is Tuesday morning and it is still soggy, so nothing's happening today except we'll be stuffing some bags. It's Wednesday morning and we've had to delay vendors from getting on the grass because it is way too wet for them to be there. Out here at Overland Expo, you get to see lots of everything. Isn't she pretty? I love the green. This is the 2026 Toyota. It's the Trail Hunter series.
That was done from the nose.
There is no shortage of food out here at Overland Expo East. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, burgers, coffee, ribs, tacos, sandwiches, you name it, it exists. Great selection of food. Good morning, Saturday morning from Overland Expo East. Sun is coming up. most of the people are already in. They came in Thursday and Friday to set up camp for the weekend. There are still some people with day passes that will be coming in during the day and parking and walking about, but in general, everyone is here, the vendors are here, the attendees are here, and we're all camping on site. I just need about this much, like,
Yep.
Every time I go out there and then I go get everything checked, they're like,
Condo. This has a big yeah. My office, my clothes, my shop, my store, and the book. I sell the book.
Good morning. It is day 3 here at Overland Expo East, Sunday, and I'm gonna walk the floor. This is what they use to sell all kinds of Overland Expo branded gear. T-shirts, sweaters, hats, bags, all the kind of swag you would need to remember that you were here. They range from a 9-foot boat.
carry handle.
The most amazing views here on the top of the Nokian Tires booth. They have a semi that they built in a space for. So you can see the whole expo from up here. To ride and drive over there.